It's like 11 something at night, downtown Baltimore. We are on Franklin Street right now. Just parked the whips up. Got my cousin in the back, DJ.
What's up, y'all?
Yeah, I'm saying follow him on the gram, Be Bigger Photography. I'll make sure I show some of his work so y'all can check him out. I got like 2 more shots left on this roll, which is just some portraits, so we'll just get some regular shots as we walk, and then I'll swap that out, shoot some Cinestill. You know, we're just gonna have a good time. So we're gonna get some long exposures, whatever. We're just gonna walk this way. So the first shot that I ended up taking for the night was this gate right down the street from the car. I was taking my version of it, and DJ was taking his shot as well. But in hindsight, I still have to slow down. I'm excited about shooting film. I have my video camera out there. I'm trying to create YouTube content. But all in all, I ended up not having my settings right, so I didn't even get this photo. I got my center in the whip, but gotta get it. My sensor. I forgot my shutter release. Trip. Alright, I got it. It was, you know what I mean? Wasn't that bad. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I had to put some comfortable shoes on because I knew we was gonna be walking tonight. Okay. But I got the first shot. I just fired my last shot on the portrait. I only had 2. So we're gonna move up here to this next spot. I'm gonna swap the film out to the Cinestill, and then I'm gonna go walk to the shot that I really came out to get. So I think it's like 11:30, but you know, we still on Franklin Street. We literally only a block from the car. Now I'm about to shoot this Cinestill 800 tungsten. We'll see what we get. First time shooting it. Why the fuck is this? Is shit. This shouldn't be that hard. Fishy. There we go. It's acting a little weird at first, so we'll see. Here. Close it up. Misfire. What's wrong with the scene? There's a freaking scooter in my shot. Alright, so we done did some walking. It's starting to get a little brick. So we're gonna, I'm gonna snap the rest of the shot. It's loud, it's windy. This is the shot that I came for back here. I'm gonna snap the rest of these shots, get back to the car, and when I get back to the crib, then we'll sit down and, you know, once everything's developed and all that, then we'll go over everything. And YouTube, we are back. All right, so I shot that video last week. I developed some film, and oh, look in the back, peek the back. Y'all see that? Yes, that is what you think it is. I got me a scanner, baby. I got me an Epson V600, so now I can finally shoot, develop, and scan all my own work in. So let's clap for that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I shot the Cinestill 800 last week. Do I like the film stock? Yes. Did I do it right? Absolutely not. I had my phone and it was on my lap, and while I was developing the photos, the light went off. So that's why a lot of those photos you see the light leaks on it. Another thing I had to realize was I had to go out and buy a squeegee for my film because the dust that gets attached to them from it hang drying is just way too much. But other than that, I actually enjoyed the shots that I got. It made me, like, looking back at them, made me realize, one, I have to work on my composition. There were just a few where I thought that I had my composition right, and looking back in hindsight, I'm like, yo, Dev, what the hell were you doing? But there are two shots in particular that I feel like I would keep out of this roll. One of them is just a corner shot of the wall, and the other shot is the alley shot that I got where there's like a red light in the window at the very end of this alley. It's right in the center. It came out very good in my opinion. I mean, I know there's a little bit of a light leak on it, but I do feel like it's a usable shot, at least for social media, or just to get out there. Like I said, I don't know how far I'll go with it, but I do like those shots. And all this is really letting me know is that I just need to do more shooting. I need to be shooting more at night. I need to be practicing with film more, just flexing that muscle, because clearly, as good as I thought I was, I'm not. Or actually, it's not that I'm not, it's just I was moving too fast, and that's really what it's about. Like, the takeaway here is really slow down, really focus, really make sure that you understand what you're reading on your light meter, and going from there. So again, out of 12 shots, I might have like 4 that I like really like. Yeah, I mean, that's Cinestill 800. We'll probably do another video of me shooting it the right way, but what can you say? What can I say? I did what I did. It came out how it came out, and you live and you learn. But guys, if you have enjoyed this episode, if you enjoyed the content that I put out on the channel, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also, if you want to be notified every single time I drop a video, make sure you hit that bell right up there in that corner. And until next time, guys, my name is Dev Dooley. This is Dooley 101. Peace out. Peace out.